Hello everyone. So in this video, you will learn how you can scratch some data from any website, basically HTML website. So this is really important. Like if you want to scratch some data for NLP and for your own research for data analysis, this is the skill you must require. So let's get started, and I will show you how you can do this. Let's Let me show you one of the important library which we will be using, which is Beautifulsoup. It's really beautiful because it's soap. I'm sorry. So this is how you can create your own soap. I will show you how you can install this installation guide for Python 3, for Python 2, for different problems you have solution. And yeah, you can do it, and you can extract title, name, string. And yeah, you can extract anything from any type of HTML and XML files. So let me first import all the things. We will also require one requests because we want to request from some URLs to access their data. So yeah, we will need that. And let me first show you what will be required in code. I have already installed it, Beautifulsoup. So I will just import it here from BS4 import. B should be capital. Yeah, Scooby-Doo. Yeah, now I will show you how can we use the HTML. So let me first go to inspect. So we will use HTML. Not for this, let me open some website which is having news article. We will use moneycontrol.com. So we will go in this news and inspect, and let us extract these data. Okay, so the these are the H3 and classes related this, and we will extract this data, the link of them, the title, and the little bit content of it. So you can know how you can use it for your own, and you can extract any data from any site if you want it. So let me just copy that URL equals to this. Now I will make the request, which is like, now I will extract the content from using this request. So I will do, I will name it cover page. Now what I will do is I will define the soap. There is the cover page news. So yeah, cover page and HTML cursor because we are using HTML. Oh my god. Yeah. Now what we will do is we will use the soap to extract data. So I will use find all function, and you can see that the heading was h3, so I will use h3, and the class was let me see it again. The class was related this, so I will use it, and I will name it cover page. Yeah, I will name it cover page news. It's good, right? So now what we'll do is we will make some empty list so that we can store the links, title, and content. So I will make list underscore title equals to empty list underscore links equals to empty. titles, and what should, yeah, subheadings should, subheading for content, subheadings. Now what we'll do is, let's make a for loops, and we will extract limited number of articles. So let the number of article be number of articles equals to 5, and for each articles. Now we will extract the links first. So link is equals to cover is news, and number of article find. First we'll find, as you can see, it was type A, so, and href is there, so A and href. Now we will append this, so link list links is equals to dot. Similarly I will do for the title, so dot get text, and again list underscore titles dot append title. Now what we will do is we will use this link and make a request, and we will extract the content, and again we can extract the content from that link. So what will happen is, like, let's go get into this, and we want to extract this article. Okay, so you can see this is h2 and class is subhead, so we will extract this. So I will again do the same thing. So I will first I will create soap article, soap article I will create beautiful soap, and the name is article content, comma, again, yeah, doing for HTML, so HTML is dot, and the last we will extract it using this soap article. So dot find all, and it was h2, right? So it is h2, and the class was subhead, and at the end we will just extract it from the body. So let's say body 0, and get text we will use, and I think it's okay, right? So the link is we have to append it, right? So subheading dot append this x. So yeah, it's good, right? So we will be having this title list Mhm. Is there any spelling mistake or anything? Cover page, close to sign. Yeah, very cool. So here also beautiful soap, and here it is good. Is there anything else? Is there anything else we are missing? It should be average, single. Now let's run it. Sub heading is not defined. Sorry. Now it should run. Still running. Yeah, yeah, it's there. So these are all five links. These are all five titles, and these are all five sub headings. You can see. Wait a second. So it's there completely. So it was really cool. So I want to show you how body structure was. So body structure was like this, and if I say like body 0, then it will show me the content of this. Like okay, so I will use body 0 and get text. So it will get me the text. Now you can see that the text of the body is extracted using get text. Similarly, you can use find and find all and other kind of thing, and you can use the attribute like I showed earlier, and you can find that particular part of it. So what I will do is I will make a single column out of it, so I will just open that one again, and I will use pandas. I suppose that you all are familiar with pandas, and these are really small tricks and small things you should know. So let's just do this. So I will name it. Uh, I will first convert all of it into series. Okay, so I will copy it 4 times. Now first one should be like let's say list titles. Second one will be subheadings. Third one will be list links. Okay. Now what I will do is I will concatenate all three of it. pd dot concat. I know my writing type is really strange. I write like this. Mm. And then axis should be 1 because I want it for column wise, and I should name it. Okay, so I will name it news. pd.concat series. Okay, all the names are correct, right? Okay, no names are correct. Now I will just go for like I will give the names of each and every column. So I will give like this because right now it is not having any name for each column. So I will tell title, content, and 2x. Let's run this. So it's running. Let's wait for a second. Should run by now. There must be some error. Pretty sure. Range syntax. Oh, I forgot equals to sign. Oh, here. Equals to sign. We'll run it again. Oh, it should work. In the meantime, while it is running, let me tell you some of the other libraries for scrapping. There is Scrappy, Mechanical Soap is the Selenium one is there. The Selenium is really cool. So yeah, you can use them to scrap data from almost any site. But yeah, you have to ask for the request first. It ran, and you can like see, like I will show you. news dot title. So yeah, these are all five titles, and similarly you can extract each one of it. It's really cool, and you can even make your own website out of other websites, right? So you can make your own NLP model also. You can train that model using the scratched data. So yeah, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up so that the reach of this video will improve. And please subscribe this video so that I will be motivated. And you can join the Discord group. I will link it in the description where people are discussing their innovative ideas. So yeah, thank you very much.